Whenever you hear the name Wix, the first thing that comes to mind is website building. That's probably because the name Wix is literally synonymous with a user-friendly interface and intuitive tools. It's clear from the moment you land on their homepage that website building is their bread and butter, but we wanted to see just how good the platform really is. We signed up with Wix to find the answer, covering everything from its design features to site performance and e-commerce resources. We started by testing the free website builder, which happens to come with free hosting. Unlike other web hosting companies where you have to pay for a builder plan, Wix offers this service free. Usually, whenever we hear the word free, we get a little cautious because there's often a catch. However, Wix was completely transparent. After creating our login credentials, we were given the choice to use the standard Wix Builder or Wix Studio, which is tailored for agencies. We stuck with the standard version and brought AI into the fold. The onboarding process was actually quite impressive. Instead of a boring form, we chatted with an AI bot that asked us about our blog's goals. When we needed help answering a question about what set our blog apart, the chatbot didn't just churn out a generic answer. It guided us towards making our own answer by breaking down the question. It allowed us to process the query and create a response unique to our vision. Once we were inside the dashboard, we were pretty impressed by how clean and organized it was. Wix provided a checklist of next steps, making the journey feel less intimidating. We decided to check out the blogging section first. Interestingly, Wix had already generated and illustrated a few blog posts on our behalf, based on our earlier answers. The content was pretty good, sharing tips and strategies that matched the persona we had established. It was great to see a website builder that actually stuck to the prompt. We also tested the AI tools for creating new posts, including image generation and headlines, and while the grammar checker was a bit manual, the rest worked seamlessly. Then we got to the site design. We chose to generate the site with AI, and within a minute we had a sleek home decor forward design. We decided to regenerate it once to get a closer match, and Wix allowed us to compare the two versions. The editor itself is a true drag and drop builder. Unlike the other builders that lock you into a grid, Wix allows you to place elements anywhere. We could choose image layouts with a single click and customize headers instantly. It's one of the most advanced yet easy to use editors we've come across. For those who want to go a bit deeper, there's the Velo Dev mode. This allows you to build professional web applications by adding your own JavaScript, connecting APIs, and leveraging serverless Node.js. It turns the platform from a simple visual builder into a comprehensive development tool. We also explored the CMS. This tool separates design from the actual content management, meaning designers can use the editor to build the site while writers manage dynamic content like blog posts and product listings in the back end. We were kind of skeptical of the performance of the base plan, but when we ran it through our performance test, it actually performed quite well. However, the free plan does obviously have its limitations. You're capped at 500 megabytes of storage, which is very little, and you have a mandatory Wix banner ad running on your site at all times. To really see what Wix could do, we knew we had to upgrade to a premium plan. We looked at the premium options and noticed that Lite, which is the base paid option, starts at a significantly higher cost than most cheap shared hosting plans. However, Wix uses multi-cloud hosting across all its plans. That means they use a mix of public cloud providers, including AWS and Google Cloud, along with their own data centers to build their infrastructure. This generally leads to a higher reliability than standard shared hosting. Despite this advanced infrastructure, we found it hard to overlook that the Lite plan only includes 2 gigabytes of storage. Compared to competitors like Hostinger, who offer vastly more storage for a fraction of the cost, this is a bit of a tough sell. We purchased the plan and connected it to a custom domain, then we started using the e-commerce features. Wix covers all the basics here. We explored the bookings feature, which allowed us to create services for consultations and redesigns. The backend allows you to track booking lists, add staffing hours, and monitor analytics. It all comes with an easy-to-use interface, and the bookings page looked professional on the live site. We also looked at the Products Central, where you can manage physical products, digital items, and even print-on-demand services. The product landing pages look just like listings you would see on major marketplaces. Next, we tested the Marketing Suite. Wix allows you to manage SEO, Google Ads, email marketing, and social media all from one dashboard. This integration is great for beginners because it gives you a complete view of your digital marketing strategy without needing to leave the platform. They even have an AI marketing agent, though we found it to be a bit buggy during our testing, failing to load the marketing plan it promised to generate. When we tested the performance of the premium site, we were actually surprised to find it slower than the free plan. However, this is likely because our premium site was much heavier, filled with product listings, bookings, and high-resolution images. It was a bit disappointing given the price, but it highlights that you need to be mindful of optimization, even on a premium platform. Finally, we tested the customer support. We encountered an issue with the AI agent and used live chat. Wix leans heavily on AI for support, so we had to get past a chatbot before reaching a human. Once we did connect with an expert, they were friendly and helpful, walking us through troubleshooting steps and eventually escalating the issue to the tech team. It wasn't an instant fix, Wix, but the interaction was positive. In the end, Wix is a website building giant for a reason. Its builder blew our expectations out of the water, covering every base with top-tier functionality and design. The free plan is an excellent starting point for anyone dipping their toes into web development. However, the pricing is the main drawback. It costs a lot to invest in multi-cloud infrastructure and advanced tools, but the storage limits on the lower tier paid plans are stingy compared to the competitors. If you have a larger budget and need a complete business development platform with advanced tools, then Wix is an excellent option. But if you're just looking for cheap hosting with lots of space, then there might be a better option out there for you.